Thank you, Lord Father. Thank you, sis. Ooh, cute. Very cute. Ooh, that's very cute. Oh, I love it. Finally going to be opening my Christmas gift for my sister. Finally. So here it is, guys. I got it in this bag. These are all things that I got for my sister. It's some markers, Holy Bible. I need this, like really need this. And here is a notebook that goes with it. So any of my notes, anything that I come across, I'm supposed to be starting a Bible study with my sister as well. So I guess all is coming very handy. Going places. Where are we going? So it's just a notebook. I love it because it's blue. Blue. Love it, love it, love it. So, there we go. Notebook, markers. And here we go, guys. And I like that it's the King James version. Okay, so it's inside. Okay. Father, finally. Thank you, sis. I have my own Bible now. Wow, that's so cool. Pretty. Like it. Love it. So while we opening gifts, there's one other gift. It's not Christmas related, but I need to open it as well. That's my daughter-in-law. She really got this for me because I have not really been well for the past couple weeks. Some days I'm having good days, some days not so well, but nothing God can handle. This one is a sugar machine, so I could be able to test my sugar level. It comes with the strips and it comes with the needles. Yeah. And this is the blood pressure machine. So, are you ready to open this? Are you ready to open this? So guys, this is the strips and these are the needles. I would not be opening any of these right now, but I want to see how the blood pressure kit look. This is probably the instructions. Ooh, this is very cute. Oh, this is very cute. So, this is the part where you put the needle in there and you stick it in your finger and you get the strip with the blood. You put it in there and the reading will come out here. So whenever I'm doing that, I will show you guys how it's done. Okay, so I guess I will figure out what this is for. So here you go, guys. I like that this is portable. Really small and cute and convenient. You know? This just goes in your bag. And it's like, it's not picking up no kind of space whatsoever. I love this. So that is that. This one here now is the blood pressure kit. So, how do we open this? So here is an unboxing of the blood pressure kit. Let's see what this comes with. So this is the armband. So this is your armband. This goes around your hand. Whenever I'm using it as well, I will show you guys how it's done. That is just the top part. So let's get inside. So there's nothing else in there. And this is also cute as well. This comes in a cute little pouch. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. So this is what the machine looks like. It also comes with this booklet. I'll have to get into reading up all this and to find out how to actually work this. And I'll be showing you guys how it's done. That's what it looks like. Ooh, cute, very cute. So guys, that's the unboxing of my two gifts that I received. One was since Christmas and the other one was last 2 weeks. So I would be using this and I would show you guys how it's done. I just need to read up and stuff and thing on it. But this is really cute. I love this. Love. Also guys, I will add this in. This is a haul. It's just one item that I have. But I got this out by the Tiny. Sell bags, clothes, shoes, anything you could think about. I found this cute little bag and I love it. It just says GG. I love it. This bag has one pocket in here. Let's get the main pocket. This pocket has like two smaller compartments on this side, and there's a zipper on this side. So I just love this bag. And there's another pocket on the side at the back. So guys, this is my new bag.